What is your responsibility in your life? Well, your responsibility in your life is to maintain your internal chemistry, to create the happiness that you want for yourself, and to stay in your lane. What does that mean, stay in your lane? Well, it's simple. We spend so much of our lives telling other people what to do or how they should act or what they should be, when they are responsible for themselves just the same way as you are responsible for yourself. So very simply, to stay in your lane means that you, like a person driving a car on the highway, have to maintain your vehicle's direction in order to stay within your lane. If you start worrying and thinking about everybody else and how they are driving their car and for them to stay in their lane, you're going to have an accident. It's that simple, because you are not concentrating on your vehicle. Your attention is elsewhere. And this is the process of life, is to stay in your lane and manage and drive your avatar in the way that you would like to, in the direction you would like to go as well, and not to be concerned about other people and the way they are driving their car or the direction that they want for themselves. They will take responsibility for themselves, and if they're not, and everybody is trying to help them the whole time, then they're never going to take responsibility for their own life. So the trick is, in order for them to take responsibility in their life, to stop trying to overlay your idea or concept onto them. Instead, you should be allowing them to discover it for themselves. And even if you don't like it, that's okay, because they must do it for themselves by taking ownership and responsibility. And until they do that, they will never be able to succeed in what they want for themselves. And your responsibility is just to stay in your bloody lane. Namaste.